Okay, so for this batik, first thing you need is your surrealism picture. Make sure that you've gone over all the lines. You should have done that already to trace it transfer it onto the scratch board, but if you haven't, go ahead and go over all the lines to make them darker. You should have a paper, one of these calendar sheets. It does not matter at all which one you get. We're just transporting it on this. You need to take your drawing and your piece of fabric. Go ahead and put the fabric over the drawing. Once you've got your fabric there, I need you to put your name on your project and your class period number with Miss Kopecky. So write your first and last name there with Sharpie, just on an edge. Now, I can see through to this. You can sort of see it on camera. It's a lot darker in person. So what you're going to do is take this mixture and you're going to brush on the lines. You want it to be visible that you've got some of this goo here. What this is lotion and toothpaste mixed together, so it smells a little minty. So like right here, this isn't terribly noticeable that I actually brushed there, so it's not quite thick enough. But at the same time, you don't want big globs. Now, some of you have lots of tiny little things. You're going to need to sort of modify your design to make it so that it works with this the brushes that you have. So you might be making larger or sort of larger things or edit things out of your picture. Wherever you brush this on, that part is going to stay white. So for example, here on the teeth, I could fill the teeth all the way in. Once this dries, tomorrow you will be painting in color on these areas. Your fabric is bigger than the paper that we sketched on, so you can think about how you're going to extend it out. You could put a frame around it, so I could paint around the outside edge of the fabric. You need to get this all done today in this class period so that it can dry and you can paint tomorrow. Okay, once you're done, you're going to put the brushes back with the palette. You're going to pick your project up with 2 hands and carry it into where Miss Kopecky is going to store them.